I had a mitral valve repair and a tricuspid valve repair. I was lucky enough to be introduced to Ms Yadav by my cardiologist, Rakesh Sharma, and my GP, Christopher Pelbrett. And we went to see her, my wife and I, at the Brompton Hospital. I went in, I admit, frightened, because as soon as someone says something's wrong with your heart, it's not the best thing to be told. But my wife and I both found her unbelievably efficient, very caring, very kind. She had all the time in the world for us, for me to ask sort of various, probably rather silly questions, but her patience was wonderful. And I was extremely impressed with her, as indeed was my wife. She came across like this was an everyday run-of-the-mill situation for her. There was nothing for us to worry about. And we left, well, when the meeting finished, we left feeling full of confidence. She made us feel totally okay, took a lot of my fear away, and I knew I was with the right woman. I knew I was with a really good, proficient surgeon. I liked her very much, and I wanted her to do the job. I think any other patient, when you meet Ms Yadav, anyone she sees, she will also instill confidence in them, in her own ability. She comes across as a woman who really knows her stuff. There's no sort of ifs or buts, there's no doubt. She tells you exactly what's going to happen, how it's going to happen, and she lets you know that she knows exactly what she's doing, and there is nothing for us, the patients, to be frightened about or to be worried about. You will be okay in her hands. We were very, very impressed with her. We came out, as I say, we came out of that consultation, first consultation, full of confidence. And while I was in hospital, the same thing. She was always there, always ready to answer a question. She couldn't be more kind, more caring, or more helpful.